Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the diagram of circle with center O, and we have central angle AOC is marked as 90 degrees. We're asked, what's the length of the minor arc AC that is formed by this central angle? And the way we're going to do that is we're going to say, okay, the full circle is 360 degrees, and the percentage of that AOC is, so AOC is 90 degrees, so 90 over 360, which is 1/4. AOC takes up 1/4 of the 360 degrees of the circle. Therefore, the minor arc that it forms is going to be 1/4 of the total circumference. All right, so the total circumference is 36. Therefore, AC is 1/4 of 36. And this is 36 over 4, which is 9. So 9 is going to be your final answer, which is A. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.